Doon o, tingin ka doon. Oo. Diyan sila. Oo. Second surprise. Happy birthday.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Surprise ka? Na-surprise ka? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish.
May naiyak siya.
Yes! Nahuli pa tayo.
Hey! Hey!
My letter. Tayo ka. In your studies. May God bless you. Dearest Roel and Rachel, I hope this letter reaches you. Mahirap mag-Tagalog, so mag-English na lang ako. God works in mysterious way. Through service and unselfishness, He found a way for you both to meet. Kahit hindi man kayo, maging kayo in the end, pero sana maging in God's perfect time. We are praying for a fun and lasting friendship. I am so excited for your journey. Ate Wax, from House of Wax. Ano lang yan? Dessert mo naman yan. Ako lang yan. Dessert mo naman.
Baka natin bro, palakpakan natin.
Merong gata.
Ay, meron! Uy! Wow!
Ay, grabe. Rosary.
Ayan. Dami. Oh, grabe. Ano na to? Promise ring? Uy!
Promise ring.
Wow. Daming blessing.
Ayan na. Ay, may sapatos. Ay, grabe. Hard talaga, Roy. Daming blessings. Ay, holy kalingap. Uy! 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 Uy!
Loyal, loyal.
Ayan, grabe ang kalingap.
Kalingap hoodie.
Grabe ang kalingap.
Uy, dalawa.
Uy!
Ay!
Sige, sakay dyan.
Mukhang lulod.
Mukhang lulod na. Panuhod na yan.
Hindi man.
Ay!
Nangangatog pa sila yan.
Nanginginig si Roel.
Suot mo na.
Yan bro. Diamond from Africa.
Kanina italing na. Surprise ako.
Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be.
Salamat. Thank you.